Mom life, no. No man. You know what, Mama do the Q&A too.
I lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah.
Hi baby, it's Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to just do like a update slash how things been. Okay, so where do I start? Of course, you guys know I'm a new mom. Well, I'm not really new anymore, but I'm a new mom. I'm still within that 1 year mark. And you guys know I have a 9-to-5 job. Who's that? I'm gonna just put my phone on silent. You guys know I have a 9-to-5 job, which keeps me really busy. I have so much to do these days. Like I just cannot manage the messages, the WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Well, I barely go on Facebook anymore, but you know the deal. Plus I do makeup. Like there is no day that I don't take bookings, you know. I try to put in, you know, feeling where I can, since most of my time I'm at work. I know I've been missing for a few weeks, yeah, but that's because I've been busy. Like when I had baby, you know, as a makeup artist, it was it was rough on your girl. And put this to the back, you know. My makeup journey, it has its ups and downs. So I may not share this with you guys before, but you know, I feel like I wanted, you know, to just share with you, because I get a few messages from persons, you know, who are upcoming makeup artists, and so, you know, I felt like I wanted, you know, maybe to share my story. I'm not really there yet. I think I have a long way to go. Well, not a long way, but I need growth in terms of clientele. But yeah, so listen, I've been discouraged like a lot of time. This year will be my 4-year mark as a makeup artist, a professional makeup artist, that is. And let me tell you, when I started out, it did hard. It still is hard. Some days I do struggle to get booking, but you know, the love I have for makeup is really what keeps me going. Like even when I'm not even gonna talk about the first 2 years. Maybe I can save that for another video some other time. But since I had baby this year, like the queries, it went downhill for me. I wasn't getting any booking whatsoever. No bridal, no one persons for birthday or anything like that. And I was saying to babe, like, babe, oh my god, like what am I not doing? What am I not doing from what I used to do before I have baby? And he's like, maybe persons thinking that you're not working. And I said, maybe persons think I'm not working, but I'm actually posting if I do get one-on-one work. But then, sorry, I think I look brighter because I adjust the lighting. I didn't know that it was so dark. But yeah, where was I? I forgot because of the bike. But let me see, you know, I was saying that mom life took over, and then, as I tell you, my responsibility at work, it did increase. And so maybe what happened was that, you know, usually I would be able to post on my personal Instagram page, you know, like do looks. You guys remember when I used to do my makeup, like beat my face, as in eyeshadow and all of that, and go to work, take pictures every day and post every day. That wasn't happening since I had the baby. Like most days I don't even get to take a selfie. I will take a picture of the baby, but not with myself. And I don't know, I was just not getting any bookings at all. And Chevelle, well, I didn't talk to her about this before, and so she was saying that I could work with her for the graduation season, seeing that, you know, she always get a lot of bookings and stuff like that. And I guess because we are friends, because she don't usually work with makeup artists, you know, but I guess because we are friends, she said okay. So as you guys know, I took vacation and I was just working with Chevelle for the graduation season, so you know, no break. So I couldn't get to, so after I leave the shop and I come home, it's just the baby, back to work the next day. So it was just really hectic. And then after that, you know, it was the holiday season, and for the first time since being a makeup artist, like legit for the 1 month I had like, let me see, 5, I think I had like 5 or 6 brides within a month. That's the first time that has ever happened. Like for the entire December, every weekend I had a wedding to do. And I was just like, oh my god. I was talking to him, I said, babe, you know, before I actually got the bookings, I was saying to babe, I don't know what I'm not doing. I know I'm not posting as much as I used to, but I know I have the potential to do good. I know I can do makeup well. I love makeup, and so I'm saying I'm not going to stop. Even if it's one person for the month, I'm not give up, because I know say somewhere down the line, growth, like, but I just feel it say, yo, something not gonna work out for me. And for the entire December I was busy, so you guys can see I didn't post as much videos because like this, work, baby, makeup, no free time whatsoever. And so the times I do had leisure time, you know, but I have to enjoy myself, so I couldn't take up the computer for edit, if you get what I'm saying. So is the other day baby was saying to me, look how you that say, yo, you never get no bookings and and now you are fully booked, like you are booked and busy. And I was like, suppose I didn't give up and not getting any clients, so I said, okay, scrap being a makeup artist. I wouldn't be working, you get what I'm saying? So don't give up. Listen, a lot of times I don't have any clients, but does that stop me from doing makeup? No. So I don't think you should stop if you're not getting any booking. That's way, but I think so everybody have a time, and it's so your time, so just go and work, practice on yourself, because even though I didn't get clients, I still do my makeup every day. I try to promote myself. I post 1 and 2 times, but yeah, I'm trying to get back to posting, creating looks, going out of my comfort zone more, because I feel like, but the thing is, when I get clients again, everybody is like, oh my god, I want neutral looks, so I don't get to do bold looks. And you know, I think a lot of person think like, oh, maybe she can't do bold looks, or maybe, I don't know. But if persons ask for neutral glam, I cannot go and give them this, you understand? So that's another thing, so I don't get to show what I can do on clients. So now I have to do it on myself, which I'm saying I'm going to try to make the time to create looks on the weekend. Some of the weekends I'm just really exhausted, and then recording the video is one, editing the video is another. Oh my god, it's crazy. But I'm really thankful, like I see the growth in my business, like I'm really growing, and I can just feel it for I think 2019 will be my year. I don't think I said that before, but I think 2019 is when I'm going to make my mark in this industry. Like I'm going to be working on it, because I know I can do it. Even since night I was doing this makeup look. Oh, I do have a tutorial on this look, which will be linked down in the description box if you guys are interested in checking out the look. But I was doing this look tonight, and I was here doubting myself, like, but I know I can do it. You know, sometimes when you're doing the eye makeup, like you say, oh my god, this is not how I want it to come out. But then when you complete the look, then you're like, oh my god, whoa, like you're the big baddest, the best makeup artist in the world. Let me see, nobody wants to say. You have to push yourself. You have to tell yourself, say, you're the shit. Like, I am the shit. I am the best makeup artist out there. You need to tell yourself that I am the best. So yeah, I am the best, and I can do it. I know I can do it. I know I can. When I say I have the potential, I can do it. But yeah, 2019 is my year, so I'm declaring it in the name of Jesus. I actually booked my first gig, my first huge gig this year already. Oh my god, it's crazy. I did like 16 persons in one day. So big up my friend Sandra, you got the gig for me. Like, oh my god, yo, my friend, them look out for me still, you know. My friends are always there for me. Like, I love my friend them so much. All of my friend them are just big up on themselves, you know on a rating star. Okay, that's the Jamaican in me, but yeah. Yo, like, it's so hard to be a freelance makeup artist in Jamaica. You know, we have a lot of makeup artists, and let me tell you, room is here for everybody. But trust me, I do struggle myself to get bookings, and persons may think I'm popular, I don't consider myself as being popular. I'm a little bit known, but I'm not popular. But yeah, let me just tell you, if you're a freelance makeup artist, just create looks, post, try to promote yourself, because that's the only way you can get out there, and which is what I'm working on myself. But trust me, if you love it, don't make because you're not getting any bookings stop you from trying to make a mark in the industry. Let me tell you, it's not going to be easy, because me myself, as I said, I'm still struggling some days to get bookings. But does that keep me from being a makeup artist? No, I'm really good at this, so why not just push myself? Listen, 2019, may I try my best for start, you know, do back videos as often as I used to, posting more looks on my page. Like, I think when I used to do that, I used to get more queries. Even if persons weren't booking me, persons were asking how much to do this, how much to do that, are you available? You will get there, because I'm on my way, and it's been like this, trust me. So if I tell you, say Tashana tell her always I get bookings, I'm a booked, I'm busy, I'd be lying. But I do get a few queries. But yeah, I have been busy, so that's why I've been missing from YouTube. And as I said, I'm trying to balance mom life, work life, being a makeup artist, because I won't stop being a makeup artist ever. I'm working to the point where I can do makeup full time. I want to be my own boss. I want to be able to get up and go, oh my god, I'm taking the day today. That's how I want to. Listen up, I know it'll come, you know. I know it'll come. 2019 will be my year to shine. So I'm working on that. I think that's it. What else did I want to do? I don't think I wanted to say anything else. If I have anything else to say, that will be in another video. But yeah, don't give up. I know that I may have blank weekends or blank months, but I feel like this year I'm going to get a lot of bookings, whether it be bridal, because I love doing bridal makeup. Like, it's neutral but it's glam. Like, you know, nothing makes me more happy than seeing the bride loving her makeup. Like, oh my god, I had this client in December and she was like, I'm going to show you guys a picture. The look, it came out perfect. And you know, she said her husband, he suggested that I do her makeup. Like, he saw somebody and said, oh my god, she needs to do your makeup for your wedding. So you know, our husband recognized my work, sent it to his wife to be, oh my god, for me to do her makeup. Listen, I was in awe. I must say, tell your husband for big up himself. In ratings large. I said to her, I said, oh my god, like, her husband found my page and sent it to her. No, crazy. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Money all over the place. I think money in and order really, but I don't think the video was pointless. But yeah, I was all over the place, but I share what I wanted to say. Maybe I forget some things. When I edit back the video is when I'm going to know what I forgot. But thank you guys so much for sitting with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye babies.